Doctors are speechless. Boiling only 2 ingredients, you will lose your fat very fast. There are millions of people who care about their body weight, especially women dream of losing weight in a short time and without effort. But this is not possible. However, there are ingredients that nature brings us that accelerate weight loss and with which we burn more calories without having to suffer great sacrifices. In this article we are going to teach you how to prepare a simple recipe to lose weight with greater ease. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 250 milliliters of water. Form of preparation: to prepare this recipe you have to put boiling water with the cinnamon, cover it and let it rest until it cools. To preserve the properties of honey that will help you lose weight, it is mandatory that you add this drink when it is cold, never with boiling water. How to take this drink? You should take half of this recipe together before going to sleep. The other half should be taken on an empty stomach in the morning when you get up. In just 7 days you will realize that you have lost weight faster and the results are sure to surprise and cheer you up so you can continue to lose weight. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.